Nakuya ako, tani wala gid ko bi kwanta kon. Maybe makulang ko tani money. Hi guys, it's Joe and welcome back to my channel. Today ay gagawa tayo ng prank. I am not a prankster, so hindi ako sure if mag-work ito. So, let's try prank calling my friend. So, kunyari mangumuta ako. And before I start filming this video, syempre I have listed some of my friends na sige natin, i-prank. Hindi ako sure if they were busy. I'm sorry if you guys are busy. Baka nakakabay ako. So, here are my list. So, ayun, I have my phone with me. And I'm gonna use my messenger to contact them. But let's see if sino yung sasagot. And hindi ko talaga sure if may magpapautang sa akin. I don't know. So, ayun. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, so ang first nating tatawagan is my high school friend, si Nancy. So, let's see. I messaged her earlier na, so I think parang busy siya, but let's do this anyway. Okay, let's try to call her. Okay. Ayan. So, ayun. Hopefully, sagutin niya. She's not answering the phone. Okay, they're not answering. She's busy. Anyway, let's try another one. Sige, subukan natin si Abby. Abigail is my college friend, one of my closest friends. Okay, so subukan natin. After sabi niya, hindi naman siya masyadong busy, but sige, let's do this anyway. Yeah, calling. Yeah. Ano sa mag-move, please? Ano ba? Okay, again. No, the friend is not answering anyway. Balikan natin mamaya. Let's try my high school best friend, Aubrey, if she's gonna pick up the phone. Ayun. Okay, so did that. Okay, let's try another friend, Josh. Joshua is also a YouTube or a content creator here in Iloilo. And let's try to, subukan natin siyang tawagan. Asan na ba yun? Joshua.
Ano to?
Hi Josh.
Ano?
Din ka?
Ari ko di siya, ano? Sa GT man eh. Ari ka di?
Wala. Nakuya ako. Tani wala gid ko bi kwanta kon.
Ano? Oo, tapos.
Maybe makulang ko tani money.
Makakilata niya ako, ano?
Ano lang, within 500 pesos. So, okay lang kung pila. Basta, need ko lang for allowance mo lang. Bayaran taman ka within next week, if okay lang.
Sige, wait lang kita. I-check ko lang namin. Tama.
Sige, B. Hi, Josh.
Sige na.
One hour later.
Hello, Josh.
Ipasa ko lang siya mo sa GT.
Josh, joke lang, Josh. It's a prank.
Paano masabi?
Nag-film ko content, so, prank calling my friends. At least wala ko may mapautang sa akin, di ba? So, will you say hi to the vlog?
Wala, I send to the photos.
Anyway, so sorry, alam ba si busy ka? Waiting ka, at least I know I can count on you. Thank you, kid. Anyway, sige po, bye. Mabisit ko na soon, ah. Sige.
Sige, okay.
Bye. Okay, we have one friend na isa lang natin may magpapautang. So, pinapan ako doon. I mean, I'm not used to, you know. Okay, nag-reply na si Abby, let's say. Sabi niya daw, pinapasok niya lang yung pusa niya. Anyway, so, replyan muna natin and let's try her again. Let's wait for Abby's reply first. You know, I mean, it's kind of making me feel good that at least I know someone is willing to lend me some cash for, you know, whenever I need it. While waiting for Abby, let's try Esther. Esther, we're not really that close. She's an old friend. Sa schoolmate ko siya ng high school and also one of my colleagues in the fashion industry before, nung, you know, nag-design pa ako ng mga dresses and gowns. And yeah, Esther is also a content creator sa YouTube, and she also have a shop of her designs, and also she's handling event styling. Anyway, let's try to call her. I'm not so sure. This is new that I will be calling her, but subukan natin. Okay, there. So calling her. Now, speaker na. Hopefully she will answer. Okay, it's kind of taking her long to answer the phone. Okay lang. Okay, so I have to na natin mamaya. And let's see if Abby replied back. Okay, so no.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh, anyway, Abby replied. So, unahin muna natin siya bago mawala. Okay, that's calling Abigail.
Hello?
Hello, Bes.
Hello?
Kamusta?
Okay lang.
Hi.
Ikaw?
Busy ka? Hindi man.
Di mo okay lang.
Di ka sa boom?
Gusto mo ikaw?
Okay. Kuya, ako actually, this is not my thing, but may extra cash ka ba?
Kalian kita ka na. Kalian ng pang-sign.
Ay.
Kalian sakit ko na ang ikan.
Ay, so kamusta ka na? Okay naman. Yeah, wala, okay lang, joke lang. Ay, get well. Eh, joke lang to best kay, you know, I'm starting a vlog. So, prank calling my friends, Utang prank call. Ay, Nicole, ko ano siya eh. Hindi ko sure kung ano specific, but utang prank. I'm doing utang prank. You know, si EMF. Palagi ako nag-film sa bulan. Anyway, say hi. So, sige na ba? Sige na. Bye-bye. Miss you. Ayun. So, wala. But, we understand that kasi, you know, Aggie, she's not used naman kasi na nangungutang ako. So, yeah. Anyway, that was soon, Abby. Sorry if nakaabala ako. Anyway, Esther replied, sige, let's ask her, pwede ko ka-call. Okay, so, si Esther, she called me, but unfortunately, hindi ko nasagot. So, we will call her back. Anyway. Hello?
Yes!
Kamusta?
Yes, join birthday. Anong maalagad ko sa iyo?
Ah, wow, alagad, Gid. Kamusta ka? Kamusta, Anday? Siyempre.
Okay. Ako na dapat kaya ano?
Oo.
May masunod ang ano.
Yes, oo.
Lagi kasi nag-walk.
Halata man na. Anyway, ay, wala gi ko daan dalaganan subong. So, kinahanglan ko kitang imong alagad.
Ano to?
May extra cash ka da.
Ay, bunga ka.
Diretso anay na niya. Ha?
Tama doon ka.
Wala lang kayo na short lang allowance.
Ay, ito ka.
So, work.
Wala ba na dahil sa kaya? Magtak ka. Gano'n. Permit.
Ay pala, Rias, kita ya mga lugmok sa utang. Joke lang.
Ay, no pa. Lang yung iba niya. Ay, takbang na nila eh.
Ay, wala, joke lang. Ga-film ko subong day.
Ala.
Ga-film ko subong prank calling my friends. Hindi ko kabalo mag-prank, ya. Oo, so hi na sa vlog.
Business ka. Ako makabalik ka din vlog, Nay. Malulukoy ka din ako.
Ako na busy sa buong vlog. Wala mo, ako naman nanay. Pahuway ka, nanay.
Ano yung work ka?
Oh, work, di vlog man eh. Work, vlog. Diba?
Ako nung nabigyan niya ako phone, kaya ako mga vlog, may mga
Ay, anyway, tayo mo lagi ko, hindi ko yung kapangutang niya. Hindi kaya.
Tulog tayo ngayon.
Okay lang na yan. Babangon tayo.
Babangon muna tayo bago tayo mag-uutang.
True. Anyway, pasensya, kasi nakastorbo ako.
Gagawin ka?
Sige na, bye-bye.
Bye.
See you around.
Kaya.
Wala tayong napala dun sa isa nating friend kasi pareho kaming, babangon ulit. So, babangon tayo. Nalugbok man, pero babangon ulit. Anyway, at least meron pa rin isa. So, yeah. Let's try Kenneth Casper. Hindi ako sure if sasagot siya. Normally, kasi busy siya eh. May coffee shop to. So, this is an old friend as well. So, one of my colleagues din sa fashion industry. But he's a model before. But let's see, he's not online, pero gusto ko natin baka sumagot siya. So, ayan, calling na. Okay, Kenneth, sumagot ka naman.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Kenneth.
Mayong gabi.
Mayong gabi man. Pasensya, busy ka?
May
Okay.
Sa shop.
Congrats, Gili. Anyway, I'll make it quick lang and direct to the point. Sorry, kid. I have no one to run to. Kenneth, I probably needed help.
Ano to?
Do you have extra cash?
Extra cash?
Oo. Mga 300 to 500 lang. Pang extra allowance ko lang tani. Kay short lang gid ko this week. If you have lang, oo. Gabi 1,000, wala man tanay pang bayad.
Oo. Mga saan mo kinaplan mo? Malispi? Ano kinaplan mo? As Gcash? As Gcash or as cash?
In any form, na convenient sa imo. Okay, good. If sure ka ha, okay lang ha. Sure ka nga, okay lang ha.
Oo, 500 pesos. Okay na.
Oo, okay na. I'll pay you next week man dayon or once
Tika sa bungaw.
ay malang di sa balay, sa molo. Work from home lang at some point, pero isa nagagapa office.
Walang problema. Hindi mo pa man urgent needed, ha?
Hindi pa man, kid.
Once lang.
Sige, okay lang tomorrow. I can wait. Oh, I can wait na. Oh yeah, Kenneth. Joke lang. Hindi, gagaprank ko lang actually. Sorry. And you know naman, start ko sa YouTube content creating, siyempre. May ako mag-prank call ko sa friends utang. Pero siyempre, hindi kayo utang sa dako mama. Wala, joke lang. Sorry, Gid. Nakabala ko siguro.
May ginatampon na pati ako.
Ay, sige. At least ba lang kung mautangan, takay pinanglan ko. Anyway, thank you, Gid. Congrats, Liwat, sa coffee shop. Okay lang. No worries, ah. Oh, thank you. At least ba lang ako that I can count on you. Sige, halong, bye-bye. Okay, so we've got two friends na willing magpautang. Anyway, Kenneth meron siyang coffee shop. I'm gonna put the link on the description box below, and of course, their Facebook page. I-flash ko na lang sa screen if you guys wanted to visit them. Anyway, Nancy messaged me that she cannot pick up the phone kasi nasa work siya. It's okay, Nas. Go lang. Trabaho lang kasi for the future. But let's try Luis, one of my close friends at church. Chat na natin siya kasi sabi niya may class siya by 6 p.m. But let's see. okay, Louis said, hindi naman kasi let's not disturb, ano natin, everyone's so busy. Sino ba? Kainin dito. Patularan. Pero may kasi hindi ako makakatakas na doon. Busy working. But, ayun, pati naman din mga friends na we can,
Hello?
Good evening, boys.
Quiz, busy ka?
Good luck.
Ay, sorry, trabala. Hindi, later na lang. Quiz?
Pwede naman sa buong.
Sure ka?
Gano'n naman din.
Oo, ganun man. Ay, sorry, kid. Makas ko tani, help.
Okay, saan mo siya nga help?
No, yeah, actually, this is something new, but palagi din. Naisip ko eh. Anyway, sige na, go na, direct taong ka na. Do you have extra cash?
Wala, quiz.
Ay, gabi the rack ang sabat.
Parents ko nagkakapot sa cash ko.
Ay, gets ko. I don't need to explain. Hindi siya mag-work ko.
Nga how?
I mean, di ba pala mo naman yung start YouTube content.
Okay, oo.
So yeah, I don't know how to prank. So ako mag-prank calling ko sa friends ko, mangutang. But yeah, hindi ko kaya.
Ayun lang.
Anyway, sorry na, bala.
Hindi
Tapa
mo
ka.
lang, boys, kung mag-prank ka tayo, dugin pa doon kayo mo man malahaw.
Hindi kayo may klase. Ikaw, ako yung magsturbo. Da. Sorry, Gid.
Ano ang guluya? Uy, kaso
Hindi syempre, plano ko lang gani padugay. Kaya mo ko gani ka klase ka. So, syempre, di mo kaya gusto makabala, no? Ba't nakabala na eh? Thank you, Gid. Thank you sa pagsabat. At is balaan ko nga kaya mo sabto na kung call di saan ka klase ka. Sige. Pamati na da. See you soon sa campus. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
okay, so that's it for today's video. I'm not sure if it's a successful one or hindi, but ayun, at least I tried my best, and ayun, at least alam natin na my friends are there, they are willing to answer a phone call naman despite of their busy schedule. If natawag ako, yung iba naman, of course, the reasons are valid, like I'm sure they're working, and ayun, I appreciate my friends who are willing to let me cash, but for those naman na wala, of course, I mean, naiintindihan natin yan because, sa hirap ba naman ng mundo ngayon, money is not now easy to earn. So, yeah, thank you again to my friends who, took their time to, answer my phone calls. And ayun, sa mga willing magpakutang sa atin. Of course, we do not tolerate pangungutang here. It's not good. But if you do naman, if wala na talagang choice, make sure that you are a good payer. And yeah, let's strive na lang hard instead of utang. Let's strive harder na lang to at least provide for what we need on our daily basis. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na ito. I'm gonna end this now. It's because there's a lot noise na nagsusulputan around my area. And yun, stay safe. Still, COVID is around the corner. Although, salamat Lord because the alert level went down na. But still, you guys, stay safe and yun, wear your mask and